Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and turn on the custom LED notifications for apps on this device. So to begin with, I would like to say that we will use the help of the free third-party app that you can get from the Play Store that is called NotifyBuddy. So let's just go ahead and grab it real quick. So open your Play Store. Prior to, make sure to be connected to network, then type in the NotifyBuddy query like I did. Then once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the NotifyBuddy to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you can just launch the app. In here, grant all the permissions that it needs, which includes notification permission, phone overlay permission. Here it is. So turn on the switch, get back to the app, then give it the notification access, point out that you are aware of all possible risks and any danger that it might bring with it. And once the OK button gets active, just tap on it and get back to the app. I guess the battery optimization is optional, so we will skip it. In order to set up the LED notifications for any individual app, just turn the switch on, and that will mean that you have successfully enabled the LED lamp notifications. In here, for each app, you can change the color for the LED notification. And if you'll buy a premium version of the app, you'll be also able to change the LED shape as well. So I'll enable the LED for gallery notifications, let's say, whatever. In the following section, you'll be able to find the services that you can also enable the LED notifications for. Then at the third section, it will contain the active apps, or the apps that have the LED notifications enabled for them, which is in my case only gallery, which is correct, obviously. And final page contains a lot of settings and personalizations that you can apply for your notifications in general, if you would like to. And once you're ready, not once you're ready, but if you want to see the result of changes that you have made, just tap on this test button over here and you'll see how those notifications will look exactly, in my case, like so. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.